Hi all and welcome to Liquid Earth. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of annoying background noise, humming or hissing in your videos. Let's play this clip here just so you can hear the background noise. That's really annoying. But there's a very simple and quick fix in Premiere. First of all, go into your audio and you want to highlight the clips that you want to apply it to, or highlight them all if you like. Choose dialogue and then click repair. And if we play these clips again, let's start with this humming noise. If I just press this reduce noise, like magic, it's gone. Now you can play around with these controls if you want to, so let's bring it all the way down to 0. Get to a level where the noise is gone. You don't want to overdo it and affect the person's voice, just enough so that it gets rid of the background noise. Now you've also got other options here: reduce rumble, dehum, de-ess, which is a common one, and also this reduce reverb. So if you're recording inside normally and it's echoey, then you can choose that, and that very quickly applies that effect to your video. Thanks again guys, really appreciate you watching. If that was useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, it really helps, and I'll see you guys next time.